gorgeous morning. Good morning. 7 a.m. on the beach. I've never been so early to the beach, even in the summer, and forget about the winter. But just the air and the energy of the ocean is unbelievable. And the sun, it's just like a new life gets into you. And I have to tell you that it's different to get up in the morning and have this time for yourself to think, to see, to connect to the nature and start your day in a different way, without the rush and you just need to dress up and run to work, and you're not sure where actually you have time to live. I mean, to live life. That's what I mean, because sometimes my pronunciation is not so perfect, as I am an immigrant with my not perfect English. But guys, I am just so appreciative of what I have. And yesterday I read this article in the New York Times about Afghan women, that basically 90% of the Afghan women are being abused by men, unfortunately, in their country. And this is so sad. And I, as a woman living in a free country, I'm just super lucky. Go to your life, have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.